Hey friends, so in today's video I will be making fenugreek seed. Fenugreek contains essential nutrients like iron and protein, which are crucial for hair growth, and they also increase blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing health follicles and stimulating growth. So I will be using this clear jar, and I add 1 cup of fenugreek seed. I add as much water as I can. I didn't measure the water, but you can use 3 cups of water. Depends on how much gel you want to get from the fenugreek seed. Yeah, so I allow this, cover it, allow it to sit for like overnight. So guys, this is the next day. The fenugreeks had double in size, yeah, and also softened so well. So I go ahead to pour it on this. So I pour it on this clear bowl. So I started mashing it. Yeah, I mashed. So guys, I noticed something about this. When I was squeezing it, my body was reacting to this fenugreek. Yes, so it was itching so badly. I couldn't concentrate anymore. I couldn't squeeze out much gel that I could. So I was reacting to it badly. I have to, just stop immediately, and I couldn't even apply it on my hair. Imagine the inchiness in my body, and if I continue, or if I applied it on my scalp, I don't know what it could have led to. Maybe I'm allergic to fenugreek, so maybe I might try it again next time, but for now definitely is a no. Yeah, because I'm so scared if my body is itching so bad like this. So what if I applied it on my hair? I don't know. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like what I do here, please do it to likes and comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you guys.